Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo and I'm here today to introduce you to the precision trimmer from Tim Holtz and Tonic Studios. So we have another new trimmer in conjunction with Tim Holtz. We are going back to a V blade for this one. As you can see here, this is the precision trimmer. So in the box, you'll be getting the trimmer as you see here with 2 cutting blades and a scoring blade. So you get them all together as part of your bundle. Now we've got lots of features on this as you would expect from any trimmer from Tonic Studios with Tim Holtz's collaboration, of course. So your cutting pad size, we do have extendable arms as always. If I just turn this over on here, we've got 2 extender arms on here and they have a very definite click to hold them in place so they're not going to wobble or move on you. You can hopefully see just here they've got little notches they click into. You've got lots and lots of rubber feet all across here, including on your extender arms, so they're going to be held very nicely and securely on your surface. And as you can see, this now brings this up to 12.5 inches or 31.5 centimeters. You've got a ruler at both ends, so top and bottom, and again in the center. So no matter what size piece of cardstock or paper that you're cutting, you're going to be able to make sure you've got a very accurate measurement on here as well. Now the big feature on this is to do with your clear cutting arm here. So when you first receive it, all of your blades will be on the channel. What we would recommend is that you actually take off one of your cutting blades and your scoring blade to cut. And then this arm actually has a spring, which you can see top and bottom here, that keeps it up off the surface of the trimmer for you. Now, what this means that you can do is that you can move your cardstock in and out, you can spin it around, and you don't have to keep lifting this yourself in order to be able to do that. It is completely free moving on the plate, which is an amazing feature and something that Tim definitely wanted this trimmer to be able to do for you. Now, of course, you're going to get lovely, crisp, clean cuts with this. So let's line this up. I can make sure that I'm aligned at the top and on the middle ruler. I absolutely love having 2 rulers on here. So when you're ready to cut, you just hold down your plate, pull your trimmer blade straight through, and then as you can see here, we've got a lovely, crisp, clean cut on there. Nice, no feathered edges, absolutely perfect cut every single time. Now, as I said, we do also have a scoring blade on here, and in order to change your blades, it is super simple. So your ruler is quite flexible, your clear ruler here. You simply just push one side away from the other, pull your blade out, and then you're going to take your other blade and literally just click it into place, and that is that done. So if I now want to score my cardstock, again, line it up with my top and bottom ruler, press down on my clear plate, and I can just run my scoring blade up and down through there, and I've got that lovely score line perfectly put into my cardstock, ready to be used for whatever project I need a nice score line for. Now, of course, from Tonic Studios and Tim Holtz, this is going to cut a wide variety of materials for you, from fine vellums up to thicker, heavyweight cardstock as well. So lots and lots of different opportunities and possibilities with this for you. As with all of our Tonic trimmers, your grid plate is actually marked with a lot of common card sizes on here for you. So we have different ones for different things. So you've got your 4¼ by 5½ on here, both portrait and landscape. You've got a 4×6, you've got a 3×5, and so on. And of course you have your 1/4 inch grid squares on here as well. So it's going to really help you to measure and be very precise with all of the cuts that you do with this trimmer. So this is available now from the Tonic Studios website. You can go and grab your own precision trimmer. This is going to be £34.99 or $34.99. And at launch, we're also going to have packs of spare cutting blades. So these are going to be £8.99 or $9.99. And we also have spare scoring blades for you as well. So these are going to be £4.99 or $5.99. So the Tim Holtz precision trimmer, as well as your spare cutting blades and your spare scoring blades, are available on our website now. Go and grab them for yourself. Don't forget, of course, if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, you can take an extra 10% off all of these products if you add them. Of course, you've got your split payment option at checkout as well, using ShopPay, ClearPay or PayPal. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments what you think of this new trimmer. What are the first thing you're going to make using your trimmer? And how do you use your trimmer? Do you use it just for cutting layers? Do you assemble things? I'm curious to know what you use them for. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we post a new video and when we go live. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we'll see you all again very soon. Happy crafting!